The parents' sacrifices. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a boy named Ayan. He was the only child of his parents, Noor and Raza, who loved him deeply. They worked hard every day as farmers to provide Ayan with a good life. Ayan loved school, and his dream was to become a doctor. He wanted to help sick people and make his parents proud. But becoming a doctor was not easy. It required a lot of money to pay for school and books. One evening, Ayan overheard his parents talking. Noor said, "Rasa, we don't have enough money to send Ayan to medical school. What should we do?" Rasa, his dad, replied, "We will do whatever it takes. Ayan's future is more important than anything else." The next day, Ayan noticed that his father's watch was missing. It was an old watch that Raza had received from his father. Ayan also saw that his mother no longer wore her gold bangles, which were her most precious possession. "Where are your bangles, Mom?" Ayan asked Noor. Noor smiled and said, "Oh, I gave them to someone who needed them more than I did." Ayan felt sad but didn't ask more questions. Days passed, and he noticed his parents working even harder than before. His father spent long hours in the field, and his mother started sewing clothes for people in the village. One day, Ayan's teacher visited their house and handed him a letter. It was from a medical school saying Ayan had been accepted with a scholarship, but there was still some money needed for books and supplies. Ayan ran to his parents to tell them the news. "Mom, Dad, I got in. But how will we pay for the rest?" Raza placed a gentle hand on Ayan's shoulder. "Don't worry, son. We've already saved enough. You just focus on your studies and work hard." Years passed and Ayan became a doctor. On his graduation day, he hugged his parents tightly and said, "I know what you gave up for me. You sold your watch, your bangles, and even some of our land. I will never forget your sacrifices. Everything I do from now on is for you." Noor wiped her tears and said, "Ayan, you are our greatest gift. Seeing you succeed is worth more than anything we gave up." From that day, Ayan worked tirelessly, helping the poor and sick in his village. He also made sure his parents lived a comfortable and happy life. The story of Noor and Raza's sacrifice inspired everyone in the village, reminding them that true love is about giving, even when it's hard. Morale: sacrifices made with love and hope can create a brighter future for those we care about.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share to your friends.